What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Young Saadi unboxing video. And today we're going to be talking about a pair of shoes. There we go. All right, so the pair of shoes that I'm talking about, it's a new company that got started pretty recently, and it started here in Austin. It's a really, really cool idea of being able to balance comfort and style, and so that's why I'm really intrigued by it. Some of you may know I'm a bit of a sneakerhead, so I like different shoes and brands, collaborations, styles, patterns, what have you. And I feel like this one is one of the first ones to get it really right in a long time. The brand is called SUAVS. Now that's spelled S-U-A-V-S. And made in Austin by a woman named Monse Garza. She went to Spain to work for a shoe design company, learned about the industry, learned about shoe design, and brought that knowledge back here to Austin to start this company and sell these shoes. Some of their mainstays include the Zilker, as well as the Barton. Now, both of those are going to be low top shoes, but they also sell a high top that's called the Legacy. Now, if you go onto their website, which is www.suavshoes.com, you'll be able to see different pricing, colors, and options on the shoes they have, as well as you'll be able to read up on the company information and learn a little bit more about how it got started. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and move over to the unboxing portion of this video. I picked up the Zilker in the charcoal color, which set me back about $95 US. I don't think, honestly, not too bad of a price for the type of shoe I'm getting, and I would, before we get into that portion, just like to do a quick shout out to my friend Paul, who was raving about these shoes. He recommended that I get a pair and try them out for myself, and so I'm really excited to do so. So that said, let's go ahead and get into that unboxing portion and take a closer look. Alright, so here we have the SUAVS shoebox. It is a very simple design with the brand name on the sides of the box, and then on the back here you'll see the actual tag for the shoe itself. Now, again, I got the Zilker in charcoal. They only do full sizes, so it's recommended that you size up if you are a half size. I am typically a 10.5 and more snug fit or everyday shoes, so I went ahead and did the 11, and it fit pretty nicely. It was a good kind of a glove fit on your foot, almost like a sock, which is really kind of the style that you want with a shoe like this. So let's go ahead and open it up here. I'm just gonna put it from the side, and then it's right there. So let's see here. Good crunch. We have the branding right here on the wrapping, and then on the inside, these are the shoes themselves. Now, a couple things to know about these shoes. These are the low top Zilkers in charcoal. They are designed from a 3D printed, they say it's a digital knitting machine. So it's essentially it's a 3D printer for fabric that was created to, that creates this design that makes this pattern. The cool thing about it is it doesn't leave any leftover material. So it's very sustainable. It's really great for just great for the environment, great for them, just the materials that they're using for their shoe to make sure that it's not wasteful in any way. So I think that's a really neat thing. The printed upper allows for more of the stretch. It's definitely a nice knit material. This is sweat wicking, so you can actually wear this shoe without socks, and it is designed to make sure that you don't sweat in them. And then on top of that, the back or the shoe itself won't give you any blisters. So that's another really neat thing about this upper. Now the lower, the sole is a light rubber sole. What's really cool about that is that if you're traveling, you can actually fold this up and then you can pack it like this. And because the materials don't crease or rip, they're made for this kind of stress, you don't have to worry about how much space your shoe is going to take in your luggage. I'm very excited about that, and typically I travel with my Allbirds, but I'm thinking this will probably change that. So really excited about that. And so let's go ahead and get the other one out here. And then we'll get the box out of the way. Okie dokie. So yeah, there you have it here, and yeah, these are again, these are the Zilker in charcoal, size 11, and you'll see you know, it's black with some gray accents here. Very simple design, very stylish design, and I'm really excited to try them out. If you are interested in this shoe or in any of the, you know, in the company itself, or any of the other shoes that it has to offer, please check them out. Again, that's SUAVShoes.com. That link is going to be in the bio or in the description for this video. So be sure to check them out, and also be sure to check out all of the Young Saadi pages for anything new, anything that I'm working on, and kind of updates on that stuff. All fun stuff, all very exciting. So, you know, we like to have fun here. So, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me while I unbox this shoe, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye.